Scientists suggest that your brain is the most expensive organ you own. Despite making up only 2% of your body weight, it consumes a staggering 20% of your total daily energy. Have you ever experienced that frustrating tip-of-the-tongue moment, or walked into a room only to completely forget why you're there? If you want to discover the top 3 science-backed foods that can actually reshape your neural pathways and protect your cognitive future, stay with us until the end. We aren't just talking about brain food myths, we're looking at the molecular reality of neuroplasticity. To understand why your diet matters, we have to look at the data. According to the CDC, nearly 1 in 9 adults in the United States reports subjective cognitive decline, a noticeable increase in confusion or memory loss. This isn't just an aging problem, it's a metabolic one. Biologically, your brain is highly susceptible to oxidative stress. Because it is composed largely of fats, it can literally rust or oxidize if not protected by specific nutrients. Research published in PubMed Central indicates that chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to leaky brain, where toxins cross the blood-brain barrier and degrade your memory-forming synapses. The first pillar of memory is fatty fish, specifically species like wild salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Data reveals that about 60% of your brain is made of fat, and half of that is the omega-3 variety. Peer-reviewed studies in the National Library of Medicine show that these fish are rich in DHA, a structural fatty acid essential for maintaining the fluidity of cell membranes. When you have high levels of DHA, your neurons can communicate faster, and your synaptic plasticity, your brain's ability to create new memories, increases significantly. In fact, one study showed that people who eat fatty fish regularly have more gray matter in the parts of the brain that control emotion and memory. Next, we look at blueberries. These aren't just fruit, they are delivery systems for anthocyanins. According to science, anthocyanins are a group of plant compounds with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Interesting fact, researchers have found that these antioxidants collect in the hippocampus, the brain's primary filing cabinet for memory. A clinical trial published on PMC demonstrated that after 12 weeks of daily blueberry consumption, participants showed improved blood flow to the brain and a measurable increase in neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons. If you want to keep your brain young, these berries are your primary biological tool. Finally, we have walnuts. While many nuts are healthy, walnuts are unique. They have a higher concentration of the DHA precursor alpha-linolenic acid than almost any other nut. Science-backed data suggests that the polyphenols in walnuts effectively clean up the metabolic waste in your brain. This prevents the buildup of amyloid beta plaques, which are the hallmark of cognitive decline. Just a handful of walnuts a day has been linked to higher scores on cognitive tests for memory, concentration, and information processing speed. However, food is only half the battle. Scientists suggest that your brain also requires neurotrophic factors, specifically BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as Miracle-Gro for your brain. You can trigger the release of BDNF through 3 main lifestyle shifts. First, reading and learning new skills. Challenging your brain forces it to build new bridges or synapses. Second, aerobic exercise. Increasing blood flow physically flushes the brain's glymphatic system. And third, sleep hygiene. Your brain cleans itself only while you sleep. Without 7 to 9 hours of quality rest, even the healthiest foods can't do their job. To turn this science into a reality, follow the Healthy Science Brain Protocol. Eat fatty fish twice a week, include a cup of berries in your breakfast daily, swap your afternoon snack for a small handful of walnuts, and finally, read for at least 15 minutes before bed instead of scrolling through your phone. Your memory is not a fixed asset, it is a living system that you can upgrade through your daily choices. By feeding your neurons the right fuel, you are literally engineering a sharper version of yourself. Healthy Science is here to bring you the data you need to thrive. Tell us in the comments, have you noticed brain fog lately? And which of these 3 foods will you add to your grocery list first? If you found this deep dive helpful, hit the subscribe button and watch our video on what sugar really does to your brain next. It explains the other side of the memory coin. To your health.